Hi friends, welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you all. Usually when we get the bike delivered, they also give the front number plate as well. But for the BMW bikes, front number plates are supposed to be customized a bit so that it can be fixed. Because I believe in foreign countries they don't have front number plates. I don't know. Maybe it's because of foreign manufacturing bikes do not have it, or they don't have the facility to do it. So they always customize in India mostly. So it went to a third party, and I got a call from this third party vendor asking me to come over and collect it and get it fixed. So today I'm going there, and I would like you also to join me for the ride. Okay then, see you there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So friends, firstly a big thank you to all of you who have watched my previous bike delivery video, and a big thank you for all the likes and subscriptions. It really means a lot. Honestly, I never expected to even touch 100 viewers for my first attempt. Anyways, thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Your likes, comments and subscriptions really encourage me to do more content on YouTube, and hopefully I can grow this channel. Now coming back to the vlog. Today it's a fine day here in Bangalore, and the COVID cases are increasing as well. So I request all to take utmost care and precautions for yourself and your family members. As I mentioned earlier in the beginning of this vlog, the front number plates are supposed to be fixed by the dealer upon delivery. But I believe it was due to the COVID situation and lockdown they couldn't do it, or maybe due to the logistics issue as well. So anyways, I agreed to collect it directly from the vendor. So yesterday I got a call from Mr. Shabir, who runs a Decal shop, whom I will introduce to you all shortly. Please note that I am not affiliated to this organization, establishment or Mr. Shabir in any ways. I have no monetary benefits from this. So I am just vlogging my experience with this vendor, and this vendor was suggested to me by the BMW dealer. So here we are. We have reached the Virtue Decal. This is the alternate graphic shop in Banashankari 2nd Main, opposite Ments Hospital. You do paint work here?
No, not here. We have separate units.
Okay, so what basically this sticker work only here?
I do designing, stickering,
Okay.
articles and
Okay.
GPF.
So this is where we need to customize a bracket in those two areas, and then we will have to get it ready. So this bracket is not coming with BMW delivery. So Shabir bhai here will be getting it ready. I think there's some drilling also to be done on the number plate. So this is the bracket I was talking about. So with this bracket, they put a sticker also on top of the bracket, so that there is a lot of cushioning here. The work-wise is really good. I really liked it, because if you look at it very clearly, maybe you can see that there is a small cushioning here.
What we use the screws, no? These are all Allen cases screws.
Okay. Allen cases screws. Okay. So this will not
has the same
grading, same grade. They have put a cushioning sticker in this part also here.
So finally our work here is done. It's all pretty good, very decent job actually, I should say. They did a very professional job of fixing it.
So it's been a very satisfying job done for me. I know this is not a complex or a complicated work, but the important point is how professional and perfect the work is, regardless of a small or a big work. This attitude of wanting to do a good job, no matter the size or complexity, is much appreciated in them. To take some examples, the clamp is a machine CNC cut with a good quality 1.6 gauge, giving enough cushioning for the number plates to protect the windshield and other loosening of the screws, using an SS screw, which is also as durable and of the grading as that provided by the BMWs. So overall, I am very happy with the work, and not to top it all, he even cleaned my windshield, which he doesn't need to do that, but he did it. So I'm really happy with the way they did it, and I didn't ask for anything else, and I'm very happy. So I would really recommend anybody who wants to get things done from this shop, especially their stickering work. They are known for the stickering and the decal work. So yep, I would recommend, and you guys can go and try. And until we meet again, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.